Hello everyone, myself Garasiya Zaid, a second year B.Sc Nursing student studying at P P Savani University, and apart from studying, I am very fond of acting and watching movies of different genres as well. So I am currently pursuing the Bachelor's of Nursing degree and currently studying in the second year, 4th semester at P P Savani University, and I am learning how to provide a holistic care to the patient in different sectors, especially in the healthcare field, and how to cope up or how to deal with the real life scenarios and how to take care of the patients. So from the very beginning, I was very fascinated by the healthcare field. I always wanted to be a part of the healthcare team. And I was always fascinated about seeing whenever I visited the hospital how the doctors and nurses took care of the patients when they come with their difficulties into the hospital. And after that, after some time, through my teachers' guidelines and my parents' guidelines, I ended up pursuing this field. So what I like about being a nursing student, I'm very grateful that I am a part of the healthcare team because this field has taught me a lot of things. This field has taught me what is the importance of life or what it is to be an emotionally strong person. This is what I like about my field. This field is making me grow constantly, and I'm molding myself, molding my personality to be a better person for the future. So P P Savani University has provided us simulation labs or skill labs where we are constantly improving our skills. We are constantly improving our techniques on how to deal with patients, how to provide proper care to the patients, or how to deal with real life scenarios. Like there is a person with road traffic accident, or you are seeing a person lying on the side of the road with cardiac arrest. So those are the scenarios in which you have to act up quickly. Those are the times where your skills will be helpful to you. So these skill labs helps us a lot in developing our skills. At that particular point of time, these skills are very helpful. So as a nursing student, we are posted into the clinical settings, we are posted into the hospital area so that we can get the exposure of how the hospital system works, how we have to deal with the patients, how we have to treat the patients, how we have to deal with the real life scenarios. So I would like to share an experience with you all, which was from my first year when I was posted into the new civil hospital Surat. In that hospital, in the emergency department, in the morning around 7:30 or 8, there was a patient with a road traffic accident, and that patient head was splitted open. At that particular point of time, the emergency department was very much scared because we have to save that patient at any cost because there was severe bleeding and the entire floor was covered with blood. So that was a very terrifying and horrible experience as a first year student for me. So for the future plans, I have planned to move abroad and pursue a specific field in nursing which is called as CRNA, Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist, because there are a lot of good opportunities in nursing in abroad. So that's why I have planned to move abroad. And along with that, I wanted to change the societal concept of being a nurse, because in the society right now, nurses are only considered as those members in the healthcare department whose work is only to change the bed sheets of the patient or just to provide medications or injection to the patient. But honestly speaking, being a nursing student or being a nurse in the healthcare department or in a healthcare team is very much more to that.